Welcome back to Home Insulation Tips, the channel that's all about helping you save money and stay cozy in your home. If you're a homeowner looking to slash your energy bills and make your living space more comfortable, you're in the right place. Today we're focusing on a vital area of your home, how to insulate your attic for maximum savings. So, let's get started. Assessing your attic. Before diving into the insulation process, it's essential to assess your attic's current condition. It is important to look for any signs of damage, moisture, or existing insulation. Properly addressing these issues will lay the foundation for an effective insulation project, so you can be assured of the best result. Choosing the right insulation material. Selecting the right insulation material for your attic is crucial for the end result. While many options are available, consider factors like your climate, budget, and any existing insulation which might be hidden underneath. Popular choices include fiberglass, cellulose, and spray foam, each with its advantages and R value to consider. Safety first, protective gear, and ventilation. Safety is a top priority for every project in order to feel confident. When working in the attic, be sure to wear appropriate protective gear, including gloves, a mask, and goggles to safeguard against airborne particles. Also, ensure proper ventilation in the attic to prevent heat buildup. Buildup air can work negatively during your project. Air sealing gaps and cracks. Before installing insulation, take time to seal any gaps and cracks in the attic so you don't have to run over every seam. This will prevent unwanted air leakage, making your insulation more effective and save money even faster. Focus on areas like electrical openings, plumbing vents, and the attic hatch. Take your time for this process. It could help you in the long run. Installing insulation properly. When it's time to install insulation, follow best practices we give you in a second. For fiberglass or cellulose insulation, lay it evenly, avoiding compression. This gives the best result in terms of keeping cold out and warmth in. If using spray foam, have it applied professionally to ensure even coverage and a proper airtight seal. Also, it takes a few days for the scent to leave the home. Attic ventilation and moisture control. Attic ventilation is essential to maintain proper air circulation and prevent moisture buildup. Ensure you have adequate roof and soffit vents so the air can flow organic throughout the room. Installing a vapor barrier, if needed, can help control humidity and moisture. It is a fast and quick way to get balance in the attic. R value for attic insulation. Attics require a specific R value based on your location and climate. Keep every layer in mind when calculating this value. Understanding your climate zone and the recommended R value will help you determine the right insulation thickness for your attic. DIY versus professional insulation installation. Consider whether to tackle this project as a DIY or hire a professional for the job. This is a personal preference or financial choice. While DIY can save money, professionals bring expertise to ensure a well-insulated attic. They are visiting more homes per year, which makes them skilled and quick. Weigh the pros and cons based on your comfort level and budget. Also, DIY could give you a motivational boost as a homeowner. Post-insulation inspection. Once your attic is insulated, don't forget a thorough post-insulation inspection. Make sure there are no gaps and that the insulation is evenly distributed. This step is critical to maximizing your savings and comfort. Conclusion: insulating your attic for maximum savings is a smart investment for any homeowner. By following these steps and choosing the right insulation materials and R value, you can create a more energy-efficient, comfortable, and cost-effective home. If you found these tips valuable, be sure to like and subscribe to Home Insulation Tips. We'll be back with more energy-saving insights and home improvement advice. Thanks for joining us today and following home insulation tips, and we'll see you in the next video.